continuous recording will now start.
How you doing tonight?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, I hate to pester you a little bit, man. Where are you headed?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't answer questions. What?
Fair enough.
What'd you pull me over for?
We got a, where you were parked at, we've been seeing a lot of narcotics activity coming from across the street from where you were parked at, inside over there. That's why I'm just curious, because there was a Hispanic guy that was walking around. Make sure he didn't meet up with you or anything. Does that make any sense?
I have no clue what you're talking about.
Okay, fair enough, man. You headed home?
I don't know why you're pulling me over, sir. Like, did you have a reason you pulled me over?
It's reasonable suspicion, that's it.
I'm telling you. Some more than that, sir.
I can't hear you. I'm
sir, I mean, I've got a dash cam from where
that's
I was
fine. Understandable. You're recorded too.
Yeah.
I just told you.
Reasonable suspicion of what crime?
Narcotics activity that occurs over at the subdivision you were just at. That's what I just told you. I'm just making sure.
No.
Fair enough. That's all I was asking. It's called a reasonable suspicion. It's called a Terry stop. So if you want that to know, it's called a Terry stop. You can look it up when you leave.
Okay.
Okay. It's reasonable suspicion for the traffic stop. Okay.
Right.
That's all it is, buddy. All right. So there's your ID.
Okay.
I'm just making sure that Hispanic, that guy that was walking around, because we just encountered him a little bit ago with some dope, but he got away. So I'm just making sure, because you were parked right across the street from his house. That's all. I'm just making sure everything's legit.
Oh, okay.
You're free to go.
I have no clue what you're talking about, but all right.
That's why that's why you're free to go, man, because you have no clue.
Oh, okay.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
All right, man. You have a safe night, okay?
All right.
This is what I'm talking about. Every single day now, because there's a pandemic going on, we just have to go 120 miles an hour. No! Oh my god, are you retarded? What? No, sorry, no.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh man.
And now people are trying to follow it.
So dumb.
I didn't know it would do this. Your pee definitely changes color. Congratulations.
Great.
So does your poop.
Ew.
Oh. So does your skin. Wow. Your teeth. Holy God, I didn't know this. And even your hair. It literally.
Controversy. So if I go for a picture for all of us who's decided how long do I have him for until he's out of the way? How long until I wake up on it? I will
My God. What the hell?
Can I roll my window down too?
No, don't do that.
I don't even know what we're doing.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, why are they cuffing him?
I don't know.
What? What? Okay. Just keep recording the whole time, Lee. Turn down the music. They're not taking him. For what? They have no reason. Excuse me? Why are they pointing guns at us? Yeah. Passengers step out of the vehicles?
They step out of the vehicle?
Yes, they said passengers step out of the vehicle. What the heck?
Cyclists. There's people riding their bikes. There's people riding their. There's people riding their bikes. We're gonna want to turn.
You want to put it on the YouTube? I have camera running.
You just hit me.
He's not gonna stop, is he?
Call the police. Hi, someone just hit my car and they're not pulling over. I'm headed northbound on Lincoln Boulevard, passing 1st Street. It's a white pickup truck. It has a number plate with package. Say the full chance of road. 7 Mary 90517 from right to 3rd Street. Has more.
Okay, you don't need to follow them. We can get the police out there now that we have a license plate, so that way you don't do yourself the wrong way.
Okay. Oh.
Where did he hit you at?
He hit me at the intersection of Ferrari Ranch and Lincoln Boulevard.
Well, what are you doing?
Make up your mind, babe.
God damn it! It is compared to Houston. What? Are you serious?
Park right there.
Uber.
Oh, that's Uber?